Mob House Punboxing. We have something that will help you play to win.
As gamers, we got Logitech, no brainer. We poppin' Tic Tacs, relax, no stress, get wrecked with the best, put it to the test. Fully dressed to impress, WhaDDup G, 502 RGB. We got you, we be rocking 16,000 DPI. Got your enemies dropping like flies. Yo man, don't forget about the keyboard. 512 built for the warlord. The sword and board for the gamer who's serious. Admit it, my rhymes got you curious. Kalau rap ini sangat padu, sila pergi subscribe kat YouTube channel kami. 因为你妈妈没有教你，我来教。香蕉、辣椒，还有什么椒啊？
我要辣椒啦！
Today I got assistant because she's so persistent, wanna help me carry equipment. But because social distancing, we are all mask wearing. Got logic leh, like Logitech lah, full of logic. What? You want to cut? You can or not? You want to cut? Cut lah, cut. Whoa, so noob. Vegetable also cannot cut. I cut for you lah. Or no, I cut your salary. As in the vegetable. I'm not so bad one. My name is Shane Tan, not Shaitan. But honestly, if your kid is so clumsy like Water Ox, you can still let them play with the box.
Oi, child abuse!
Whoa, why so fast I turn? I must got Wing Chun, you know. Inside what we have? 3 things plus a card. Nice leh. This card's what? 7th anniversary. World's best selling. Go away. I'm already best selling. Don't you tell me twice. Firstly, Pudding's gonna take out the long black thing. Oi, why you hold like that? Oi! This is PG-13, you know? Your mother no teeth.
Huh? Then you show me lor?
Okay, so if it's long like this one, you need to grab it with both hands. Push and pull and then...
Hey, don't let later my grandma watch how.
It's out already, you know?
Hey, very convenient leh. Can roll up for easy transport and lay flat when you're ready to play.
That's what she said.
Huh? This Logitech G640 mousepad has a size of 400 by 460mm and is 3mm thick. It has a rubberized bottom that will cling onto any surface, just like your girlfriend, to prevent the surface from bunching up.
Why you say until like they got girlfriend?
I was just being nice, okay?
They lie in my dad jokes, they're either dads or single lads.
That's kinda sad.
And we let the mouse open the mouse. Wait, she's a raccoon, not a mouse. Open it properly, cut it like that. Now she's gonna break the box, like I expected. See? Box didn't break, I was lying. Now let's open inside. What is this? What is this? If your children always hyperactive, always jump here, jump there, cannot sit still, you should put this sticker on their head. Like a Chinese Pontianak, they will not move. Power leh, like Logitech G oh. Keep playing with hearts.
Like parts.
Why is this mouse so powerful? You ask me? I also don't know. But Logitech say this mouse best selling so I trust them, I guess. Look at the bottom, look at the top, look at the whole thing, and also got USB one. This one got weight. Why got weight? Because you must lift. You everyday play game or your hand, show very weak. These 2 cards also don't need one. This thing I don't know why editor make me turn 3 times and then pass to her, go away.
The Logitech G502 has 11 fully programmable buttons, like 7-11 fully mummable chocolate muffins. It's very sensitive, 16,000 DPI with 400 inches per second, highly precise.
Whoa.
You somehow can customize with 3 different gaming profiles. For those who lift, no matter front, behind, left or right, you have 5 3.6 gram adjustable weights to shift so you can drift on the mousepad. If that's not King Tao enough, we still have Lightsync RGB so you can party alone every night since you're probably lonely.
Finally, we're gonna open the biggest box. Chicken pox! Mob House rocks!
So sharp, Cindy. Anyways, since you have no GF, this Logitech G512 will make you feel better with 3 different flavors of advanced, very not basic, GX mechanical switches. GX Blue for those who like noisy keystrokes that will give your dad stroke. GX Brown for those who cannot make up their mind, don't want tactile but also don't want linear. GX Red, very smooth like butter on bread, linen on bed. Just like Shane said, you'll never get
Whoa, this thing can Wing Chun, can whack people because that one purposely dropped one. Don't laugh. This thing is a keyboard. If you key it, you must be bored.
In case you're still not sold, boy, this keyboard case is made with aircraft-grade aluminium alloy. Bottom still got anti-slip, so you can get a grip on your trash, KD.
Other features include USB pass-through for those who are cool, and full function keys to control media and lighting, which you can customize in Logitech G Hub, not the other hub. You can even toggle game mode so you won't accidentally click on the wrong thing. Finally, you also have the RGB 16.8 million colors, more than Mobhouse GDP, and you can even store per key RGB profiles in the onboard memory for those who seriously need to learn to get a life or a wife to make better memories. The Logitech G612 mousepad is only 140 ringgit, the G502 mouse is only 189 ringgit, and the G512 keyboard is only 546 ringgit. So cheap buy! Unless you don't buy, then you're really a cheap guy. Why? Stop keying my board. Stop it. Stop this instance. Stop it! No parts were harmed in the making of this video.